Hey, good morning. It's Dr. James. I hope you're off to a beautiful start today. It's wonderful to lay eyes on you. Thank you for your time and thank you for your energy. This morning, I want to talk about something. Actually, I want to address something with you that I believe you and I not only are experiencing personally, we're seeing it all around us. Strangers, people that we love, our lovers, our partners, our kids, people that we really truly care about, and what it is that's happening to us on a very subtle level, but a very profound level as well. It's this low-grade anxiety that studies are showing is literally changing our brains and what we can do about it. The combination of the digital platforms that we can't seem to get away from, the way that our smartphones, oh my goodness, how they're affecting us and how we can't seem to put our guard down without needing to reach for something and grab for something and be distracted. And all of this is changing our brains. In fact, the research is saying it's literally challenging our personal integrity and our personal peace. So I look at that and I say, you know what? Not on my watch, not on our watch. What can we do about it? Well, here's what's beautiful. There's three things that science is telling us that we can start to integrate and really, really weave into our day. Because you know what? The smartphone's not going away. It's highly addictive and it's really a lot of work to just put it away. And I know that's some of the things that I try to do and I fail at it most of the time, but I'm getting better as I go. But here's one of the things that you are going to love. These three things are infinitely doable, and they literally help to change our brain, help us to remove that low-grade anxiety, get us back into a space where, hey, listen, there's always going to be levels of challenge. That's part of being in the growth world. That's part of personal development, and we should be celebrating that. But we don't want to feel tense, and we don't want to feel like we're not enough, and we don't want to feel like we're losing our personal integrity. Because personal peace and witnessing ourselves doing good by our soul and really honoring our heart and being in alignment with those practices and that character is one of the most beautiful things that we can do. That's how our life feels good. So the first thing that we can do is really get clear about the fact that so often in life, we are accomplishing a lot of things, but so much of the time, we're not even there to witness it. We're on to the next thing. So the research tells us that if we can literally be focused for at least 1 to 3 things within the first 1 to 3 hours of our day, it literally helps to change our brain chemistry. It starts to cement and rewire a sense of confidence and a sense of personal peace and integrity. And it's amazing. So literally, when you get in the morning, you write down 2 or 3 things that you absolutely intend on doing. And then you go and do them, and you do nothing else but them. And I know that may sound elementary, but please, that multitasking is overrated, and more importantly, multitasking creates havoc in our heart. It creates disconnection in our self-compassion and our self-encouragement mechanism. We're not even there to witness how good we are. The second thing you can do is while you're doing it, really, really witness yourself saying, good for you. Even that term, good for you, literally science is telling us, neurobiologists and neurochemistry is saying, this is literally raising dopamine levels. So our confidence is growing. So it's like, good for you, Jimmy. Good for you, you. It's like, oh my gosh, it sounds like childhood cheerleading or like, self-help 101. But this is how our brain and our heart and our emotions and our spirit respond to encouragement. Because I think too often we're like, you stink at that, and why didn't you do that better? Or not, you're doing something wonderful, but you're already 10 minutes or 10 hours out in front, not even knowing you're there for it. And then at the end of your day, the most simple and powerful practice is write down 1, 3 things. You say, this is my daily done well. Today I was wonderful with making eye contact with someone I love, and I was fully present. There was no phone. When I got done with my exercise program, I sat quietly and I held my heart and said, you are so good. I'm so proud of you for following through. And you did something heroic in the way of being compassionate towards yourself and to other human beings. Write that down, my daily done well. That actually helps us cement in the neurochemistry of change and transformation and confidence and peace while you are sleeping. You wake up the next morning and you're that much further down the road in brain transformation, life transformation, and I believe worldwide transformation. Because you're so beautiful when you're this way. And you become so compelling and so contagious when you live this way. We are so much better than we know we are. But let's get connected with what we are and know it to the truth of our being. Much love. I believe in you. Have a beautiful day. Bye for now.